Here we are today with the standard setup of the Archer beam gate. This is how we set it up in the field, and we're here today to do a crash test to simulate exactly what happens in real life. This will be a 5,000-pound truck going at 45 miles an hour and hitting the beam gate. So the Archer beam gate is set up primarily as an access point. People often think it's about the beam that is going to stop the vehicle or the truck that goes and attempts to get through this area. It's not about the beam, it's about the cable and the net that goes all the way through the centre beam. So here we are, we've got a typical setup of the Archer beam gate. We have two Archer 1200 barriers on either side of the beam. It acts as a counterweight to the beam and the net itself. As the truck comes down and hits the centre of the beam gate, the net captures it, and of course the barriers will slide round and stop the truck. It's the combination of things that takes the full impact of the kinetic energy of the truck. Here at Meridian, we have just completed another certified crash test. Crash testing is part of the DNA of Meridian, where we continue to crash test all the time. We take our product, we look at different conditions, different speeds, and different stopping distances. At Meridian, it's just part of what we do. Another successful crash test, making sure we keep people, communities and places safer.